But they're making me feel guilty.
I gotta help your mom.
Get in there and help them, Christina. Get in there.
This is too much.
I mean, come on.
No, they just brought me up here. No. I'm on a mission. I got 2 missions. Bring Chelsea back.
Oh my God. All right, let's do this.
You knock on Buddy's tent and give this to him.
Oh, yeah, let's use this one. How are we going to do it? Is that good? You got it? No? What do you need me to do? Well, I got stuff for you. Here. No, look here. Here's where you're missing a hole.
Here, pull this up.
Right here. This way? Oh, let me get this together right here. Stop fighting it. Stop fighting it. You gotta roll with it. Mister. Dude.
Can you give me some more?
That better?
Oh my God, you guys are getting there.
Screwed up. Hey, quit standing up in there. Get down. Get down. Hey, get down. Lay down. What the hell are you doing?
I wouldn't have given you that.
You get down like goddamn shit. Hey.
Yes, you really got it.
Hey, you want to do with this?
I told him I would have given him that water if he wasn't wearing that Hitler outfit.
You got 2 choices. You can out here or you can do that.
Okay.
Sweet.
Okay, he tried that. I think we'll just use that.
Please don't yell. I'll be cool.
I really hope you've never been exactly like this man has been. If you have, you would understand.
I think it's funny shit.
Come on, honey. I'm supposed to bring you back to your baby. No, he's asleep. He's passed out now. He's trying to make sure we're going to be good for a few hours. Dude, it's almost on its side right now.
It's fucking getting light outside.
Hey, dude. Just
Exactly.
living a dream, dude.
I'm not saying any of us are having fun right now.
He's living a dream. He's a drummer. He's a rocker through and through.
Just because he's a grown man doesn't mean he's a fucking smart man.
Oh my God, I hurt so bad inside right now.
Dude, I got a few minutes. I want to do shit.
Don't double struggle. If you need help, just yell. Okay? I'm coming, John. Hold on. Sir?